Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video of Tamil Pigeon. I hope you all guys are well. So today I'm going to share with you things which is happening in this loft. So I'll start with fancy birds. As you can see, this beautiful movement. Father is feeding to young one. As you can see, this fantail has two young beautiful birds, and now this male is feeding to their young ones. First of all, they eat and they all do vomit and feed to their young one. So this beautiful pair have already has two babies. This white tail mark female and this male. For now, check it out, this beautiful moment. Father is feeding to small babies, and I think you all guys are thinking about this waste in their loft. I'm not cleaning this waste because that is very important for every birds in their loft, because it's natural thing and it's freaking cold here, so that will help to warm up and maintain humidity for pigeons, which will protect them from cold. And about this fantail, they have grown like this. They are feeding on their own little bit, and this pair has already laid another egg and covering that one egg. I think one egg, there is only one egg, so today she will lay another egg. As you can see, this very loud sound and whistle, they are my cockatiels, who are very playful, as I have already kept water and feed to them all. As these budgies, as you can see, this budgie, and they are eating. I have kept their water, calcium, and that mineral block, and this boiled rice, wheat, and this sunflower seed, and other feed of this budgies, and two cockatiels also. I have already kept that stuff, and to this strawberry finches and one zebra finch. I have already kept feed and water to them as well. So this is going in here. And about this beautiful my young fantails, I'm not releasing today outside because it's really cold. So, and at morning time it was raining also, so I will not release to these beautiful birds. As you can see, they are staying very warm, inside this loft. So I will not release them. And about breeding progress of site in it, they have not laid eggs yet. So as you can see, this another pair also, they have not laid egg till now. About this black and white fantail, I have already shown you. They have laid egg and covering that egg. Here are my kings, one male and one pair here. About this breeder pigeon, I fostered this young baby bird to this breeder pigeon. As there are very waste in here, I'm not cleaning that. because if I will clean this, pigeon may suffer from cold and viruses attack. So I don't need to clean this loft in cold season. So that's why this baby is staying very warm. So now I'm going to talk about my some high flyer section. Here I kept females, and mistakenly there was one male. So they paired up, and one small baby have hatched. I don't know there was baby at first. So while I was checking out and feeding that feed to these birds, there was one baby. I will show you. As you can see, there was one male. This is one pair, and they have hatched one young baby. I think it's about 10 days. As you can see, this they are covering that baby. They are actually high flyer pigeons. As you can see, this bird. So I don't know that they was breeding. Oh, that male came out. So check it out, this beautiful bird. At first I have not seen when that baby was this much, about 10 days. So mistakenly that baby came out, but it's okay. Let's see. This baby is also very cute. I hope this will also fly better. And now I have already kept water and feed to this bird also. Before I don't know there was breeding. That's why I only keep one time feed to this high flyer section, because they are not my breeders. So I saw this baby and I have already kept feed. As you can see, this Salati breed, they are also going really well. As you can see, there are many Salati. This one is not Salati. They all are my home breed for flying. Let's see, they will fly for what time, and we just need more and more hours flight in the sky to win tournaments. And about this white stuff in this paint, this is enamel actually, and outside of this enamel here is all white stuff. This white stuff are powder of pigeon, that is which pigeons make waterproof to their body, and it helps for shining in feather. As you can see, they have also laid 2 eggs. So outside of their body there is powder, and this all white stuff in here is powder which came out from that pigeon body. So now I have came to this Bantam section. So here is 2, and here is 2 beautiful Bantam. As you can see, what did they did with this loft box. Inside this bird sit and lay egg, but they like to play by making like this. I need to keep another box again, and this birdie will play with it and break it down. As you can see, this loft inside here are 3 bantams, 3 chickens. I have caged them like this because they was being very naughty and eating waste materials, plastics, and mainly they was eating this, because I kept this for coils, so that because it is very cold nowadays. As you can see, these coils, so they was being very naughty, so I kept here, and I have already kept here feed also to these birds. They are very aggressive. See their face. Naughty. So I covered here like this, and I only release them 2 times a day when I was at home. These cockatiels make louder sound than budgies. At first, when there was not cockatiel in this loft, budgies sound very badly. But now cockatiel is disturbing every birds in the loft. As you can see, these cute cockatiels. There are only 2 cockatiels. There are budgies. So as you can see, this loft, I have not opened this loft yet because it's cold and sunlight has also not arrived till now. That's why I have covered here, so that to protect from cold. And above this, I have kept this cover. This is actually brooder for chicken. This is fantail. We are staying in incubation, as you can see. I have kept here water, feed. They are Bantam chickens. There are 4 chicken. As you can see, here are 2 Bantam chicken also. They are small, so to protect from cold, I have kept here made here brooder and covered like this, kept light inside, which will make warm. This light will make them feel warm because it's cold outside. So they are for ventilation. I have made here holes like this. All my pigeons are here, this breeding section, and every morning I just check out my birds' health. So all birds are healthy and staying warm. My main breeder Sality is also feeling cold. Oh, as you can see, this female, I will show you. While I was checking here, there was one baby. Actually this is Bantam chicken. It just came now. It's very cute, so I won't disturb. This is actually chicken. I kept chicken egg to this pigeon for incubation, and they incubated and take out. That very good process. And as you can see, this male section, all are staying warm. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please share to my channel Thumbnail Pigeon. And please, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to Thumbnail Pigeon. Stay safe, stay well. Bye bye everyone.